Measurement is one of the most important chapter for UPSC, NDA, SSC, CDS and for state PSC. And today we will do everything using my own handwritten notes which I use for my own study. I have combined NCERT class 6 to 12 to create these handwritten measurement notes, and in this video I will make this chapter crystal clear for every exam. So let's start from definition. So now, what is meant by measurement? So measurement is the determination of size and magnitude of a quantity. So the determination of size or magnitude of a quantity is known as measurement. In measurement, we have to study firstly physical quantities. What is physical quantity? A quantity that can be measured. The quantity which can be measured is known as physical quantity, and the physical quantity is classified into fundamental quantity and second one is derived quantity. So now first we will explore what is fundamental quantities and what are the examples that comes in fundamental quantity. So the quantities which cannot be expressed in the terms of any other physical quantity is known as fundamental quantity. It means the quantities which are not able to express in the terms of any other physical quantity, for example length, mass, time, etc. If we will talk about derived quantity, so the quantity which can express in terms of fundamental quantity, for example area, volume, density and etc. So physical quantity have numerical value. So the physical quantity have numerical value. The quantity which is physical that have numerical value and a unit of measurement. For example 3 kilogram. Suppose you are buying 3 kilogram vegetable from a shop. So here the 3 is your numerical value and the kilogram is your unit. So now what is unit? It is a standard quantity with which the unknown quantities are composed or compare. So what are the system of unit? There are three systems: CGS, FPS and MKS. In CGS, C means centimeter, gram, second. FPS foot, pound, second. And in MKS, meter, kilogram, second. Here you can see the foot. Foot is the singular form of feet. So SI system of unit. Modernized and improved form of previous system of unit is SI unit. So now we will talk about fundamental quantities. So there are mainly 7 fundamental quantities. Now we will see the 7 fundamental quantities, their unit and their symbol. So length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance are the 7 fundamental quantities. And if we will talk about the unit, the meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, candela and mole are the unit of the fundamental quantities, and these all are the symbols. So now we will see some important derived quantities and its expression and its unit. So I have written 10 most important quantities. So the physical quantities are area and the expression is length into breadth, m square, meter square. So you can see here there are 10 quantities and their expression and unit. You can check a screenshot of this. So now see here, length, very large distance, astronomical unit, light year and parsec. For larger unit, for larger distance, we use these 3 units. Now you can see here larger units. In larger units, there are kilometer, astronomical unit, light year and parsec. And in meter, you can see here kilometer is Kilometer is written in 10th power cube or 3. So these are the unit. You can here see the nearest star Alpha Centauri is about 1.34 parsec from the sun, and most of the star is visible from the unaided eye in the night sky and is a 500 parsec distance from the sun. Now see here what is mass, time and temperature. What are the difference between them? So you can see here quantities of matter combined in a body contained in a body. So the matter which contained in a body is your mass, and its SI unit is kilogram and unit is kg. This is the see your time. You can see your time. It is a measure of duration of event and interval between them. And the SI unit is second. 1 second is the time required for the light to propagate a 29 crore 97 lakh 92,458 meters through vacuum. And the larger unit for measuring time, 1 day, month, year, and millennium. And 1 millennium is 3.16 into 109 seconds. Now you can see your temperature. So the temperature is the measure of hotness or coolness of a body, and SI unit is Kelvin.